B, we are being told to discuss 3 sources of return for commodity futures position. So this is a topic that deals with commodities, and they're asking, the examiner wants us to mention how do investors in commodities earn their return. There are 3 key components. So we're looking at B, sources of return in commodity futures position. The first one is roll yield. Then we probably provide some description about roll yield. We say that is the yield due to differences in spot prices that are provided by the commodities exchange and the futures prices. So if we find the forward prices and the futures prices, the spot price and the futures prices are very distinct from each other, that can be able to provide some component of return. We're saying return for the investor can be earned from the roll yield. That is the differences between the spot price and the futures price or the forward prices there. The second source of return, number 2, is collateral yield. We can see the following, that refers to the interest earned on collateral required to enter into a futures, contract. What is the collateral itself, or the underlying asset that you expect to receive in future there? So we are saying that the collateral yield is the interest that is earned on the asset itself, which is required to enter into a futures contract. So if it appreciates in value, then we expect to earn a return over there based on the commodity itself right there. Number 3, we are saying is changes in the spot prices. Changes in the spot prices there, and we can be able to say that the total price we can say that the total price return is a combination of changes in spot, changes in spot prices and convergence. Changes in spot prices and convergence. Like that. So changes in the spot prices, or the changes in the expected spot price and the current spot price, which you're saying also provides some element of return to commodity investors right there. So these are the major sources of return: the roll yield, the collateral yield, and the changes in the spot prices right there.